Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy.
Welcome to Coxie's Picks, Parker versus episode 79. Today we're going to be looking at the X22 from Chicago. Highest security you can get for the cheapest cost. Multi-pull, 2 pulls, split with a metal bar all the way through the body, right, as well as a split locking bar either side of the warding. Parker can't reach in and grab either bits of it. However, don't feel too deflated, nothing is perfect. We could always modify a tool. Here's a little snowman with a dimple to get it, or with a double lock set we can hit it to remove the double lock and then use the standard shim with a split to shim free. Nothing is impenetrable, you just need to look a little harder. However, the scores on the board: Parker 71, Cuffs 8. Thanks very much for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video.